House of Folk coach. Niboda eye kabo. Make us say openina ba be do Ghana. Understand say encha kra ene e dey connection so no so be start because House you already almost started on pre-season no. And a coaching so about be draw almost share enemies on so no. Ebetimi about can a pre-season on afi House aboabo mo ho for the upcoming season and also ebenti House of Folk say aka say head coach our town obedi djuma no e dia mam Asante Kotoko so and then yedin ka be hinted dada sir omo ede David Obeng Nyarko eba this time oba as brand and partnership manager edema kuma say Asante Kotoko ebobo ekuno David dey in name say maybe administration eba ye no na David eka ho in fact onana ekasa communication team no onana edano na okasa edema kuma say Asante Kotoko at this time okoba no ya no brands and partnership manager edema Asante Kotoko David yamo okoba welcome home in so boy djuma so no ediama Asante Kotoko na Medeama so yen nanim say yami adoma omo na rep Ghana out the CAF Champions League because omo na G League afie atwa mu no edisi omo na so nti omo na bobo CAF Champions League na omo start with the prelims because we say Ghana coefficient emfa anti no there be start prelims abra ya afo enum si so no there be Ghana pa okay we dey minimum say ni na no ye be do na as say yam kwa say start from prelims Ghana pa the friend of football nation can kwada ebo prelims no ma ba beto
seniors no to
na prelims no anum na CAF inspection team no buy no so be inspect TNA stadium no oma giatum oma say category 2 approval into prelims re dey on be pre ama Medeama abo enso ho name say omo ko omo anima omo say ba be another inspection of course and on be say be omo meet the criteria no omo pe no na omo hwese eno so meet approval anti good news edema Medeama say omo prelims games no on be bo owo TNA stadium ho Jude
Rich
me say sem free ho
match memory mu yi because issues are made discussed also one on how to folk kabo ye be mana kwaba na Rich menim se wadwene akwa ade bi so a coach no eba no ena na me bisa me ho say technical team no mo ba be ye adwuma no technical team on one I recommend this opa na say technical team we dey ato ho dey ama no ade me di kan bisa me ho time na me take set up no so no na eba be head no it was the first thing me bisa me ho because Rich make sure president be because of Ghana ha na enhu yie ayanhwe ni yie ebe ha Rich some de bia mu the foreign stories na timunim de eko oti say Jose Mourinho eko ba bia or with the backroom staff enya sa na no
sure
club eko or with the backroom staff Guardiola sa that has always been the norm
but enya de bia
but Udim, no, about 80 to 90%.
It's not always the case.
But Udim, sometimes maybe omo kra no mo ho no be ba beto omo no. But in most of the cases no sa na omo ye no. Omo e bi on be ba beto omo no. E ye obi a one, e bi a ye coach bi. Ye training for the future. But what I say, and obi e bi onim so much about the club. And ye may be o wa nipa ne ba no. On the backroom staff beba. Be betimi decide no aka say e pa ocho wada o me bi a person A person B there based on Omone club no idea pesie ebia the next 3-4 years. This is our project. All manager in so ayafa we. Yeah, for the next 3-4 years. Nipa ne be understand you. Race what I say. And to no do be understand you. But who main team no ba be adwuma no de one na do omo aba. And here de na wo honom ne de ne say omo baba be understand how adwuma no.
Na ne brother one anyu on the backroom staff ne ba.
There be anyu on the backroom staff.
Anon kwa na buy.
Onon ne buy. Ya mano ya set up ne de amano. And Rich, dangerous. Do you know why it's very dangerous? This is the premise. Shep, Ghana how baby ba kwa. Ha crowd yanke emfa coach. Na ye emfa assistant emre no. Ano mama meto assistant coach. Because Rich may try dey bi. Only the man Samuel Body very successful Medeama. Sorry, I will have to
folk.
Because Nhyira e buy no to be buy no. More than 10 years. coach awama to be asre wan enye Buadu ba no o making sure say or the goalkeeper trainer eba meboa Eric Amponsa o wie na osan so e be ono an right hand man abibia one na eye Hamza na Kotoko yi ono an de bai yes W1 no na onim ne dada so atase no mu ni mo hu yie rich entro de bai ne say omo timi ko training e o Miami school amekọ SS St Thomas Aquinas Secondary School omo port training no mo tie diase no mo discuss say chale yesterday who say how to folks say ka ball fedia Medeama unim say Buadu no mo ball na efepa na so exciting to watch but the am fan the trophies ni abel say dia how to folk air trophies enti dan ni ebe forget about ball fe results ni epe and omo edj league edg FA Cup edg Super Cup omo gi the also omo gi bia rich the reason was very simple they had a bond to the extent that at a point to cry na how to folk mpanyimfo decided say omo pam Samuel Buadu no na nkom peso omo di adwuma ne ma Hamza so ya we Hamza say menji adwuma ne enje tsena because ade a bond ye share in one vision yet ye ho ase and in coach na de ba kwa ye very key as ade no building a chemistry because rich say minim sa rich ye minu rich na de makọ me godfather no me all allegiance to rich ye pamo rich automatically means me tiati utie and the technical team ye adwuma ye beku ye ho ye yem aye because say ye fire rich aye nyina nso ye kọ enti sa say the idea be yem players no Omudi konkonsa assistant coaches papa Ogana rich with the local footballer you know
Jay is up on Krabeka. I think I hope more dangerous assistant coaches. Assistant
coaches. Obamia was CC and 2 years most players no run no so no mudi nkomo Charlie Joshua de mema mo mfie no saa na otie Jack monya word me assure mo say Joshua kwa me promise mo wo ubenya opposition. Enti ayade bia ekuye rich he mamema one other example. Maso Kuredu ba Asante Kotoko. On the Gazali by Sobekaya. Time ne ba say na ni Amponsa administration no mo pam Maso Kuredu no. Onim say Gazali say oni Maso Obeko osui ma asem we mumfre Gazali misa no. And Maso ka chen say hey behave you are a professional. Try na ya adwuma fa som krobia. What difference because of the lava na Gazali wo de mama so Maso na de ne buy no they had a bond. Enti abeye adwuma ne de amama so rich mama example ba ko Watara at Heart of Folk okay Legon City coach Basiru Tijani say mumfa adwuma na ma me metimi aye edru ba bi kra it is believed many evidence say Tijani kra na wo Watara ho and mama final example hu here say ufa coach manim for the backroom staff at least ni assistant ba ku mienu de ma omomfa omumra rich okay Kotoko kofa Seidu Zebu okay Seidu baby anu so many evidence o ba Seidu Zebu asem na make catch mo kai so okay Seidu baby na Gazali mo wo ne ho mo kai sa story no okay he said it also okay asem kra na mo twist him rich agro no odi adwuma mani pa manem form obetimi no mo because coaching ne bond no rich atoda kra unim beyond the year kan head coach bet me any problem a personal problem ontimi no obi and discuss but say rich una am assistant na me no was bond na if you problem met me no say me bo am ntimi no say because I trust so much in you I have so much trust in you and no yensam nkwa abonte rich is no problem asa but time bia kokokofo obi no asa kwakofa we yaba the onutinati assistant no pe head coach adwuma agiaye and to omo anim po ma na nya successful and to omo nhwe saade ni ye pa cause ade ba ko a edi en clubs ninya now ye ma coach na kwa baba me sansre Heart of Folk company for ade bi rich information on say de nyame adom boys ne car na has edi omo no omo de omo eka 4 months omo atu aka ni nyina omo ko ofie no omo tua nyim and omo reason no omo say tua 2 ne de am omo nti omo de boys ne car look say coach ni betimi is successful sa de ma we ka ho so ya we edu baby na ara ho Watara onu personally any bottom sika no de has players player program na no the personal sika na ehwe no now the coach efa sa anyama we mu wi no ka kire say one set standard On Fatim Ninja Lake and Africa. No, it doesn't work like that. Maybe, for instance, I still believe they nominate director of sports air cancer. Sure, Rich. How to folk Nico to Kodientia, there be a memon press as also homogeneity. Rich me patrol yan canocre. Some testimony DJ Lake. A Timane is canton on Mutimij Lake. Because in terms of quality, any level, Uti, Kotoko squad ne has squad. And some text, Upanya me portina, Messi there be some text list. Catch me. Non-players better than all some text anymore. Apart from Imano Kayeke, catch me. Meboa. Apart from Kayeke. Okay, I'm gonna have a mudi. And a small boy, yeah, midfield the Onimbo boy, pa mama aqua. So guys are cran, Onimbo pa. No money established names who. But no mutim no. One asum jewo team beboa. Enti asum jewo team no.
Mr. Senjenzuska.
Exactly, proper management.
Osum so yetu omoka. Omuda baby you did
good because see a issue of salary and kasa. How to folk players siko mutiana and you be na sama test you meboa. How say to me to player ka 100.
No, but you see, the difference is that sometimes, for example, maybe I'm a mebo house if you try me cut 10,000 a month. Obi super summer text. You want to be at 5,000. Or they have one 5,000.
Some text implement 5,000 2,000.
Or the example can I'm dema. Maybe I'll bet me point. Now, Obi are just 10,000. Enemy I get 5,000. Obviously, they are 10,000. No, I was through.
Yes.
But say me I get 5,000 every month to be a bar. More for watching while get 10,000 now. I just had 3 months near there.
Why are there a honum man come here? But our points now where you appear. A honum I send me baby sister. And a sound management because you are here. I did back one. Obi a why adwuma multimedia e be catch on a wo si o mo be catch on say Jude wako be
pa so ya e be tu aka
wako be pa obi anim and I am panso se bi se me do kan me ntua ya me na me ntua ya enya multimedia because I dey back about multimedia ne say I ne so a chepa mpo ye 30 for no mpo ye se chepa 25 26 no mo ntua aka enti wo ye adwuma onim rich wo motivation me boa uni any reason about media fail but the difference I won't know how to focus there no the money ye nie. One says on tia signing on fee or tia their friend pro rata and then says oh yeah
sure
now pro rata no say what is can the gume salary so sikana what say the gume salary so 3 months 4 months na mai obumi abramisu wa uma mi sikan to ho say me fa mo bra no and do the dia makasa say scan mai bi didi na kakra ne nso abosom nso so de mamia and also 3 months 4 months am I uya no catch him say results mra no akwakopa mu coach enti me pa mo cho Dreams GJ League no and I say summer text no only quality players and chain has only scan chain has only scan chain Kotoko but all manage all niama ye and boys no distractions anyhow which means what just happened
Matthias and so then a problem can I yes also at a point also no one company for say massa it's a jumia me yes say players he be a kekano has a kekano but as a dream maybe an players need you because in job
yet yeah no
just no can I yeah so at a point can say mom try me come to players in the cancer because my boy never make
exactly
players in the coach park in so ball so pay them fair before me because they play no coach park in so ball see Nhyira ka do you expect on go
do obeka bi out na me ba hanom ye Nhyira me ka ade ye ni million presenters bi o mo afasa ade no we on ma 3-4 days on kwa adwuma o adwuma mkura na ne bu afu no mu na so obetena high serious because edem meboa enti motivation no rich Kotoko nso ye nua Obeng Nyarko ye bra ye manakwa aba I must confess me one person na ne amponsa administration no omo ba say ye pa na me ka ho obi anim I mean, him say besina krebi mo me issues as a presenter because of Stadium. But I felt say you me hu niam ani me nsusue mu no me yema adwuma pepepe. David in person say o kana ne administration ho. Nipa ba ko ananko ni mu adwuma yie pa na adwuma ho te. David Obeng Nyarko. Within this context in America in terms of branding. David Brandon brand no oni so the whole Ghana na uni obi abetimi na compare Obeng Nyarko. Now the problem is so about be PR adwuma.
What you are forcing is
no that you
see I got communication adwuma no. Too huge.
Yes, too of course.
Station be a chon being bright. Say you know sometimes cause no crime but
special advisor to the CEO. But race
so
mejitum.
Was also coupled with branding of Kotoko and its high issues ni no. I mean so say David better effective or money adwuma so.
Of course, Rich David.
Because all the communications and the branding ho.
Rich David lie no utie adwuma David ni me pa na de ama no. Me board de aba so because unim board ni hu say previous administration no. Omo hu say abrante ni adwuma. Omo hu pa and omo ni adwuma oye. Anya na abreso high sense mu na anya na abreso. Branding dia brand no me di. But David the futu am de be me onye me pa cho Kotoko na wasanya akwanya abam no. Akwanya o. Enye obi a ne free mu o sanya akwanya. Bro fast o trim. Obi anya otamfo. Utie. Yen na ye stakeholders including me and I criticize mu no. Na ye out of love me pe me Kotoko ye. Fast o trim mu say oba be som Kotoko. Entie de obi ka say na presenter bia na radio station bi ne wo problem. And you know obi benya problem because na say me hu ade bi aye ma me oba pa. Anwofe dia me pe na asem ye pa ma Evelyn. Me da bia me ka cho say me respect for my healed. Oh sa de no David picture no eba no.
Evelyn is sorry.
Odi baba to say pains bia ni baby ah why na pains. Aya
kro. I know we reading meanings into it.
Bro,
I read in the picture to baby.
David is a good guy. He's a fine gentleman. PR the anya ne lie, but the lie ni minim so betimi aboa makrobia. Branding no akosro. Ye bom panyimfo abaso nya import na ye be me education ni about adwuma no ba be no. Ye beto ye boa church bro finally on Medeama de no. A piece of good news for Ghana football me boa.
Yeah.
Na enchemu ni o se Medeama wa suffer mo be kind the last Africa boy no. Or starting ebo Cape Coast because that time no na project here $16 million project here. Na mpanyimfo asase ba na omo wie. Ti de akoba ni say the first 2 games me kai pa against Horoya and the Remo Stars. Omo ball ewo Cape Coast. But after it no competition na ko nanim no CAF say Cape Coast Sports Stadium no. Omo who said the standard they bet me hosting group stage no. Cape Coast Sports Stadium meet its requirement no. Hence, na I was saying, and Medeama na ho na the first alternative. Now the second alternative venue was Baba Yara. So okay. And the man Medeama be PMO Baba Yara hano. In a way, they believe say be African. So when you are going hosting one ankasa home be anka results be owa ankosa. I am happy for them na education kakra ohunye. Category 2 no CAF kano be an amanfo ntiase. Prelims uti rich. Obetimi about prelims no because CAF no your 4 categories stadium. Category 1 any rich. Ye category 1 ah. I don't know motimi about regional games or fansanka pajo mu na betimi describe you as category 1. Obetimi about bia leg matches or regional games obetimi but entimi hosti CAF organized competitions. And the category 2 no the Medeama say no you approve you know. Aya sa level na obetimi dia hosti even youth tournament utie. Obetimi at their hosting. So CAF youth tournament, any women's football no national teams no, on betimi aball ho, and on there no problem. Now, over category 3 and 4 na, rate difference in here. Over 3 and 4 na, a honum neters would do ogboro na ankasa. A honum no, and it's me hosting even international matches akesiye. So Medeama ebedu CAF Champions League group stage. Baby sanu it's me hosting. Patwati ase. Your international matches cry na betimi e hosting. And Nina no akwa nanim your niam ayehwe edu ba bia even a lightning system na make us when you say ehia botre ni atoebo ma education here o lightning system na ye behwe o press box ba bia press box station how our media no ye behwe say omo ba omo a lot of space a omo betimi ade aye adwuma na even spectators kran so e ba stadium baba behwe games no your niam o see say one spectators e betimi protect omo here. Apart from security are very key. So there were a lot of factors. Okay, say Kotoko Baba Yara do baby dag out. You find a Kotoko. Sure. I see even Nkonya ni adi egu ho kra no. Problem. Hence no say CAF eti free ni sikem. I mean any champion ya problem say you know. Nam say no sorry ni National Sports Authority rather. And nya sa issue no. Say adi an National Sports Authority the all be na kan wi. And so when na no hear education but maybe the answer I'm happy. Say at least Medeama some nice edifice no ebenya akwanya a host prelims of CAF organized competition rich and nunti na da bia na me ka asem bi de mama ni je ni he say unya corporate bodies no back football mo nim say boa pa steady Ghana pa me patcho anka stadium be pa na hu ne say e wo soro say nya bibia Ghana ha stadium ba ko na anka wo soro ye pa ye lenkleo oboase
as go there virtual omo bibia da bi clubhouse those days are not going to see clubhouse omo
clubhouse
no as go there drew out with professionalism
bro and go back at you say the whole world or no any mining company in terms of assets owo ye pa abeka cho say mining company or asset pa enti so steady a the entire near person cooperative for of course yenim say yera mosisa mapaka na ni sika Medeama but takwa mindsi omo ye adwuma de bo omo pa
and really omo na bo omo
exactly omo and almost bibia no omo e support it rich the army they know say the difference between takwa de and oboase de say oboase de and company no a team club near company team but takwa de and de enye company team individual na any there but they feel so almost our corporate social responsibility towards the people of takwa and important very commendable like more so abaso and I believe say with time no almost better the expected na nkwa say bedroom stage bi no ni aka say CAF and after prelims no
by in teams no bro and that is the more reason as I say in clubs no Africa omo nya ade no imagine Kotoko a qualify for CAF Champions League because of stadium na emiti CAF criteria ninti no say Kotoko ntimi mo game no Baba Stadium as all travel in the game no and as all for game ni free Kumasi e travel the court and kind
no
the opponent now on the Kwakobo any track grounds already young cause say your supporters you won't stadium dada. So what I say, it's a day na bet me dey intimidate team no flap on table.
I be would drag crowd so I say have supporters in Sugu almost.
So what I say?
Have supporters in Sugu.
How the crowd think about the matches no. Supporters about how much more Kotoko no need to Kumasi. And I do game ko bonka. Inti
na stadium no stadium no e cost crowd.
Yes, mo.
Charlie serious.
Okay. E bia na na e kan no pay yawo.
Yes.
I tie ne park. What want me to say it?
$16 million.
$16 million.
$16 million.
I go work up 5.
Yentimi ni CAF standard picture.
We dey katie na dey we dey ensim yenu bi kra. But entina me pa UEFA for na acho na no pay no. Some sram UEFA me sram. Some tie show mu na mu ntitwa me ya me kan bo for na mate me sram.
Line no ehia e pa.
Pap chow 20 million ya mo ma na moye. Because takwa dey 16 a. Yenya 2020 sa atre betu asitire o. Pam chow UEFA mo ya na.
Sasi can eba. How sure are we say?
This time
they pay for prioritize stadium so musi stadium.
This time be make sure say the baby.
Right. Erna asam no.
Because you think kaji 8 bi dada.
Na World Cup ya about 5 World Cups. World Cups ni na aboma is average about 16 million.
Your teams no omo ko Africa omo nya de and eduru maybe yes meje yen clubs no na so omo nyomo niam aye eno de ho omo players papa. So what I say in terms of management in this area and but baby crowd about games no cry no and no cry a problem.
So North African.
How do you compete with Ali nominated teams?
North African club but states na sponsor no. So with that I know about or the Royal Armed Forces yes states na nkasa flight na eba. Meboa. Kotoko na or kwa Africa na am sponsor abreso. Edru baby no.
Oko Germany are the same thing.
Right, o refi say do baby Kotoko ni no adibo.
Baby a club no one. Eye nipa na community one. Omo sika na ye de hwe club no. And it's now most of the teams baby out in the Hana team now on because we can home.
So Libya club Ebahan Okokoda Tulip and Lancaster Libya for the Uti and free. The flight or the Benino and your advantage Kotoko Africa. But not secure $50,000 Kramuka is issue. $50,000 crown.
And then I go stars Kobo Africa. Players in the bomb say Omuko, Algeria. I'm saying Uncle for the park and born planning. And
I read female Adriana Koya, Adriana
boy again up in the league. Rich, South Pitch no more support that. Rich,
Adriana Koya couldn't draw for an answer. Refuse you. Adriana 5 was a 6 good.
It's serious. Your football, yes, yɛnyɛ na yɛnyɛ hu bibi sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a yɛne gye agodie no ho but ɔn deɛ ɛbɛma agodie no ayɛ dɛ no yɛmpɛ sɛ yɛbɛyɛ ɛna me problem no
So sad, yes. Yes.
so nneɛma kitten te sɛ training grounds ne baabi a ɛbɔbɔbɔbɔ ne adeɛ de at least
And Rich,
baabi a Ghana yɛduru a yɛkɔ workout 5 deɛ ɔsɛ nkaba na at least
Wouldn't be so funny.
international standard
Okay, now, man, for-
sɛ black stars ba kurom nya baabi ɔbɛtwini gye sɛ ne kɔ dr kwame kyie hɔ kɔtwa mfutura no kwan grasa anyɛ na players yi kasa saa yɛnyɛ serious Ghana football na wɔ akɔ bɛ sɛ ahwe yɛbɛka deɛ yɛni sɛ yɛka nti yɛmfa ntwa ahomra na